In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice templates in HoneyBook, Automation Setup 2026. Open your browser and head to honeybook.com. Make sure you're on the official site so everything loads correctly, and you can access your account settings, files and templates without any hiccups. Sign into your HoneyBook account using your usual login method. If you're prompted for additional verification, such as a code or device confirmation, complete that quickly so you can proceed. Once you're in, HoneyBook will take you straight to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a snapshot of your business activity. Think of this page as your home base. It highlights current projects, upcoming tasks, and anything that might need your attention. From here, we'll navigate to where invoice templates live. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation bar. This is your control panel in HoneyBook. You'll use it to move between projects, tools, and your library of reusable documents. Click Files in that left menu. Files is your centralized library for templates and documents, including invoices, proposals, and contracts. Organizing your files here ensures you can reuse them consistently across clients and projects. Inside Files, select Invoice. This filters your view to only invoice-related templates and documents, making it easy to focus on your billing materials without sifting through everything else. You'll now see any pre-made invoice templates available to you. Choose a template that's closest to your usual billing style. Starting with a relevant template saves time and helps keep branding and formatting consistent across your business. When you open a template, you'll land in the editor where you can manage and customize it. Here's where you tailor the invoice to fit your needs. Update the template name so it's clear and easy to find later, like Standard Service Invoice or Retainer Invoice. Adjust branding elements such as your logo, colors, and header details so it aligns with your business identity. Review line items and descriptions, set default quantities and rates, and add tax or discount fields if you use them. If you bill in milestones or installments, configure the payment schedule and due dates so the structure matches your services. Consider adding a notes section for payment instructions, accepted methods, or late fee policies. Use placeholders for client and project details so the template stays reusable, without client-specific information baked in. Finally, check currency and regional tax settings to ensure compliance for your location. That's it, your invoice template is ready. You can reuse it for new projects and plug it into your future automations to keep billing fast, consistent, and professional.